one of the things we can look at when performing urinalysis is to measure the specific gravity of your urine. The specific gravity of urine will change depending upon if there are any solutes that are dissolved and present in your urine. So looking at specific gravity allows us to see whether or not a particular individual is hydrated or not. In order to measure specific gravity, we can use a hydrometer. So here I will take a sample of simulated urine and I'll pour it into my cylinder here. I'll then take the hydrometer and drop it in. There's a scale on top of the hydrometer, so I'll look down and record the number that we have. So we have. So if I look and see where my meniscus forms, my meniscus is forming over here. So this is the scale that you'll see on your hydrometer. This is calibrated to 1.00 grams per centimeter cubed. That's the specific gravity of water. And normal urine should have a specific gravity between 1.000 and 1.030. If you have a specific gravity higher than 1.030 grams per centimeter cubed, then that might suggest that the particular individual whose urine you have collected is not drinking enough water, is not as hydrated. So here's the scale, and it reads 1.000, and then this one would be 1.010, 1.020, 1.030. So in our example here, this is where the meniscus is, so this is where I would read, and it's about 1.025, which would be in our normal range for normal urine.